Let's make creamy chipotle mushroom pasta. Start by making a cashew cream. This is a super easy process of soaking cashew nuts in hot water and then blending them to get a lovely cream consistency. Then for the base of your sauce, you're going to fry off some shallots until they're really soft and golden. Add a little bit of water as you go to prevent them from burning. Remove your shallots from the pan and chuck in those mushrooms. Careful not to overcrowd the pan as you're looking to get some nice colour on those fungi. Pop the shallots back in with some garlic and some chipotle paste. Then stick in those mushrooms. Pour over your lovely cashew cream. Add some pasta water just to help the sauce come together and then drop in your cooked pasta. Give it a big old toss and serve immediately, covered in fresh chives. This is amazing. It's got a really nice kick to it. It's a little bit creamy. The onions add some sweetness, which is so good. The mushrooms add loads of texture, and it's vegan.